What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when Face ID is not working on your iPhone. First, one of the most common causes could be related to a software glitch. If you've recently updated your iPhone to iOS 18, it's highly likely that it's due to a bug in the update. In that case, verify if Apple has rolled out any updates to address the bug. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on General. Then select Software Update. If there's an update available, go ahead and install it. This simple step might fix the issue if it's related to a software glitch that Apple has already patched in a newer update. If updating your software doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to restart your device. Sometimes persistent but temporary software glitches can cause Face ID to malfunction, and a simple restart might clear things up. To restart your iPhone, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Look for the power button in the upper right corner and tap on it. When the slide to power off screen appears, drag the slider to the right to turn off your device. After it powers down, press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appear, indicating that the device is turning back on. A successful restart might resolve minor issues with Face ID. If restarting didn't work, it's time to check your Face ID settings. It's possible that some Face ID options have been accidentally disabled, which could prevent the feature from working properly. While in the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Once you're in this section, ensure that all relevant Face ID options are toggled on. Under the Use Face ID for section, make sure that options like iPhone Unlock, Apple Pay and App Store are enabled. If any of these are turned off, your Face ID feature might not function as expected for certain tasks. If everything is correctly set in the Face ID settings and it's still not working, your next step is to reset Face ID. This is helpful in cases where the initial scan might have encountered an issue, or if something has changed with your appearance since you originally set up Face ID. To reset Face ID, go to the Face ID and Passcode section of your settings and tap on Reset Face ID. Afterwards, tap on Set up Face ID to go through the process again. Hold your phone in front of your face and allow the on-screen prompts to complete the new scan. Once the setup is complete, check to see if Face ID is working correctly. If you often use Face ID with a different appearance than what you originally scanned, such as when wearing glasses, a hat or a mask, that could be causing the problem. In this case, consider setting up an alternative appearance that includes those changes. iOS allows you to register a second version of your face, which could include things like facial accessories or different angles. To set up this alternative appearance, go back into the Face ID settings and tap on Set up Alternative Appearance. This feature is especially useful for people who frequently change their look throughout the day and want Face ID to recognize them in various situations. Another potential cause when Face ID is not working is an issue with the True Depth camera, which is the front-facing camera that detects your face. If this camera is dirty or obstructed, it might struggle to properly recognize your face. Take a moment to examine the top of your iPhone and see if there are any smudges, dirt, or grease around the camera area. If you notice anything, gently clean it with a soft lint-free cloth. After cleaning the True Depth camera, try using Face ID again to see if that resolves the issue. If you've tried all of these steps and Face ID is still not working, it could be a hardware issue with your iPhone's True Depth camera. This might be something more serious that can't be fixed with software troubleshooting. In that case, it's best to contact Apple support or visit an authorized Apple service provider to get professional assistance. They'll be able to run diagnostics on your device and determine if there's a hardware defect causing Face ID to malfunction. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.